Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be talking basically about GJ. Okay, we're gonna do some sort of an analysis of this pair of the current situation. So you see a little bit how we do things. So yeah, as you can see, we have different zones marked up. Okay, as you probably already know, we just trade buy and sell zones, or also called supply and demand zones. Okay, this is basically what we do. And we use the weekly for our time frame for most of our zones. Okay, so as you can see, we have different zones marked up. Okay, we have this very big zone, okay, which is just a weekly zone. Okay, which is we definitely have to take this into consideration, as these are strong zones. The higher the time frame, obviously the stronger the zones are. So you can see on GJ we have this minor weekly zone where we could react to a little bit. Obviously we didn't go too deep into the weekly. We're just touching the bottom basically, but we can still go a little bit deeper in the zone and see a stronger reaction. But then basically what we do is look for 4-hour zones within this weekly. So currently we have this 4-hour zone right here that we're looking at. Okay, so price has been ranging for quite some time. It's been for about 5 days, 4 to 5 days. It's been ranging, not many strong movements. So yeah, we're still waiting for this zone to get hit, and then we'll see how price reacts on a smaller time frame, like the 15-minute, for example. And then we have higher zones as well. Okay, we have this zone right here, which could be also interesting to take some sells. If obviously this zone doesn't get respected and just cuts it clean and then goes deeper, and then obviously we'll be looking for some sells up here. So for targets, well, as we're in a weekly zone, we can definitely have some weekly targets as well. So we can look at different lows. Okay, we can look at this low, for example, which would be a nice target to close out most of our positions. And if we take the position a little bit deeper, like more or less over here, still would be 300-400 pips. Okay, so you can definitely with like a good stop loss of like 10 to 20 pips, it can be very big risk to reward trade. And obviously that will be just with one position. So we'll try to add positions along the way, as we already know that price moves from zone to zone. Obviously, if it gets respected. Okay, so once you get respected, then we'll look to add positions along the way, and we'll just squeeze as much as we can and get the most out of this trade, out of this move as much as we can. So yeah, we're looking on the 4-hour again. You can see we have this also minor buy zone where price just it actually reacted to it a little bit. It only touched the top. I was waiting for it to go a little bit deeper, and then basically I was looking for this, and then price just to go deeper back in the zone to this zone, or even to this zone. Okay, so that would be perfect scenario, but it just didn't get deeper in the zone. It just stayed on the top, and it already showing some reaction to it. You can see on 15 minutes. I'm sorry, this zone is not appearing. Let me see. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it just touched the top of it, and actually basically reacted to this 15-minute zone, which is also pretty interesting, because in the end we know everything is about supply and demand. So it basically reacted to this one. But yeah, you could have basically had a nice scalp over here, maybe something like this, with like a tighter stop loss or something like that, whatever, But I was actually waiting for an ideal scenario, and just waiting for price to go a little bit deeper in the zone, but it didn't happen. So it is what it is. Now I'm gonna wait for the next sell zones, which are up here. So yeah, if you're trading GJ and you're looking to trade, these are interesting levels to look at too, for some potential sells, which can be very nice swing trades. Like I said, where you can add positions along the way and just squeeze it and hold it basically to, I think it was this low, okay, which is a very nice target, which is also the weekly low, which is would be exactly this one. Okay, so this will be very nice target. But yeah, anyways, this is basically what we're looking at for GJ right now. So yeah, hope you liked it, and if you have any more questions about the way we analyze or how we do things, you can always leave a comment down below, or send us a message on Instagram, a private message, and we'll get back to you and help you out as much as we can. Okay, so yeah, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.